Welcome to Raoul Associates. Friends, we are going to discuss about VAT in UAE, how to register, who is liable to register, and all other details. So please watch till the end, like, comment and share to your friend. Should I be registered for VAT? If your taxable turnover, the value of the goods and services that you supply in any imports, but excluding any exempt supplies, certain financial services and life insurance, some property transactions and local passenger transport, exceeds 375,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams in a 12-month period, or if you expect your taxable turnover to exceed 375,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams in the next 30 days, you're required to register for VAT. If your taxable turnover, or expenses which you incur that are subject to VAT, is less than 375,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams, but more than 187 United Arab Emirates dirhams, 500, you can register for VAT voluntarily. How do I register? The VAT registration form and tax group registration form are available via the online portal on the FTA website. Please refer to the Downloads section on the eServices portal for more information on how to register. What records will I need to keep? Records need to be kept for at least 5 years. You will have to keep records of all supplies and imports of goods and services, all tax invoices and tax credit notes and alternative documents received, all tax invoices and tax credit notes and alternative documents issued, records of goods and services that have been disposed of or used for matters not related to the business, detailing the VAT paid on those goods and services, records of goods and services purchased for which the input tax was not deducted, records of exported goods and services, and records of adjustments or corrections made to accounts or tax invoices. In addition, you will need to keep a VAT record or account which shows output tax due on taxable supplies.
When and how will I file tax returns and what will be shown on them? You will normally be allocated a quarterly or monthly tax period according to your annual turnover, but the FTA may allow a shorter or longer tax period if it considers that to be appropriate. You will be required to file the tax return for each tax period by the 28th day of the month following the end of it, or on the next working day if the normal due date falls on a national holiday or weekend. Tax returns will be filed electronically through the FTA portal. On each return, you will need to show the value of standard rated supplies are made in the tax period and the output tax charged per emirate. The value of zero rated supplies are made in the tax period. The value of exempt supplies made in the tax period.
When will I have to pay any tax due? You will be required to pay any tax due by the due date for each return, example by the 28th day of the month following the end of each tax period, or on the next working day if the normal due date falls on a national holiday or weekend.